Hello everyone, my name is Rafli Ahmad Iskulo. Today I would like to present one of the most influential architect in contemporary architecture, Tadao Ando, and one of his most famous work, Church of the Light. In this presentation, I will discuss its architectural concept, material, spatial organization, environmental consideration, user experience, and why this building remains important today. Who is Tadao Ando? Tadao Ando is a Japanese architect born in 1941. What makes him unique is that he is a self-taught architect and did not attend architectural school. His work are recognized for their minimalist form, exposed concrete surface, and careful use of natural light. Ando is known for designing space that feel both complex and easy to move through, combining detailed planning with a clean, simple look. In 1995, he received the Pritzker Architecture Prize, one of the highest honors in architecture. The Church of Light is located in the small town of Ibaraki, just outside the busy city of Osaka, Japan. The design started in January 1987 and was finished by May 1988. Even though it's in a quiet neighborhood, this church is a great example of beauty architecture that fits well with its surrounding. The building area of the Church of Light approximately 113 square meters. Church of the Light is considered one of the most important example of contemporary religious architecture. Central concept of Church of the Light is the use of natural light as both a spiritual and architectural element. A cross-shaped opening is cut into the concrete wall behind the altar, allowing sunlight to enter the interior space. Instead of relying on religious decoration, Tadao Ando used light itself to create meaning and emotion. This approach transforms light into the focal point of the building and creates a powerful atmosphere of contemplation and spirituality. The design is based on the idea that architecture can communicate meaning through light rather than ornamentation. As the intensity of sunlight changes throughout the day, the interior atmosphere also changed, creating different spatial experience despite the building's simple form. Okay, this image of concept architecture of Church of the Light. Material and structural system. Church of the Light primarily use reinforced concrete, glass, and wood. The reinforced concrete walls serve both as the structural system and the architectural finish, creating a clean and minimalist appearance. Load-bearing concrete walls support the roof slab directly, eliminating the need for additional structural element. The limited material palette reflects Ando's philosophy that simplicity can create a stronger architectural expression. Furthermore, the smooth concrete surface provides a neutral background that allows light and shadow to become the most important visual component of the interior space. Okay, this detail of material it's used. Okay, next, form and geometry. The church consists of a simple rectangular concrete volume intersect by a wall rotated approximately 15 degrees. Okay, like this. The diagonal wall is one of the most important design features of the building because it controls circulation and separates the entrance from the worship space. By forcing visitor to change direction before entering the chapel, the design creates a gradual transition from the ordinary world into a sacred environment. The project also reflects Ando's concept of duality expressed through the contrast between light and darkness, openness and enclosure, as well as the sacred and the ordinary. This opposing condition strengthen the emotional impact of the space and encourage visitor to become more aware of their surrounding. Okay, this floor plan of Church of the Light. This building is the main chapel. This building Sunday school and this minister house. Next, spatial organization. Spatial organization of the church is simple but carefully planned. The building consists of an entrance area, a transition zone, the main worship hall, and the altar. Visitor enter from the side and move through a controlled circulation path before reaching the main space. Okay. This indirect circulation strategy is intentionally designed to slow movement and create anticipation. By gradually guiding visitors toward the illuminated altar, the building creates a meaningful transition from the outside environment into a quieter and more contemplative interior. This spatial sequence plays an important role in shaping the overall experience of the church. Okay, next, environmental consideration and user experience. Natural lighting is the most important environmental strategy used in this project. During the day, sunlight enters through the cross-shaped opening, reducing the need for artificial lighting. lighting. The thick concrete walls also help regulate indoor temperature through thermal mass. These environmental strategies contribute to a calm and comfortable atmosphere. As the position of the sun changes throughout the day, the interior lighting condition continuously evolve, creating different spatial experience. As a result, visitor experience a space that encourages silence, reflection, and spiritual contemplation while maintaining a strong connection to the natural environment. Okay. Next, why is Church of the Light a masterpiece? Church of the Light is considered a masterpiece because it successfully combines architecture, spirituality, and human experience into a simple design. The project demonstrates how light can become an architectural material rather than merely a source of illumination. More than 30 years after its completion, the building continues to influence architects worldwide and remains one of Tadao Ando's most celebrated works. Its lasting significance proof that simplicity can be just as powerful as complexity when supported by a strong concept. Tadao Ando said, "Light is the origin of all being." Okay, next, analysis and discussion. Church of the Light demonstrates how architecture can create powerful emotion through simple design decision. The project successfully combines light, geometry, and material into a unfilled architectural experience. Okay, strength of this building, strong and memorable design concept, effective use of natural light, clear spatial organization, timeless architectural expression, strong emotional impact on visitor. The weakness is small capacity for large congregation, limited flexibility for future expansion, dependence on daylight condition. Personal analysis, In my opinion, the most successful aspect of Church of the Light is its ability to create a profound spiritual atmosphere using only a few architectural elements. The project proved that meaningful architecture does not necessarily require complex forms and expensive material. Instead, careful design decision can create lasting emotional experience. Conclusion: Church of the Light Church of the Light represent the essence of the Dao Ando architectural philosophy. Through simple geometry, exposed concrete, and carefully controlled natural light, the building creates a powerful spiritual experience without relying on ornamentation. The project demonstrates that that meaningful architecture does not depend on complexity, but on the ability to shape human emotion through space, light, and material. More than 3 decades after its completion, Church of the Light remains an important reference in contemporary architecture and continues to inspire architects around the world. Ultimately, the building proved that simplicity can be just as powerful as complexity when supported by a strong architectural concept. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Bye.